Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Patelli brand. They're cat tongs. They're 7-inch food clips kitchen tongs, and they're really cute looking. You get the pack of 2, and this is the black color. I'm going to show a close-up of them and how they look. But these are smaller than your typical tongs, but that's fine because they're perfect for grabbing food at a party for appetizers. And it's made out of stainless steel at the base right here, and this other material in here will work to -40 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's 240 degrees centigrade, so it's really durable and solid. It won't melt, warp, or rust. And of course this doesn't rust because it's stainless steel. So here's what they look at. They're really smooth, the metal on there. You can see the end right there. There's a little side view so you know. So you can see it's got little cat paws on it, that's equivalent. And then it has little pieces there, just like on a paw of a cat. And that gives you extra grip. So you can see the size compared to my hand. They're about the length of my hand. But they're perfect for a lot of applications where you have appetizers or when you're cooking. You don't really need to have bigger tongs when you're turning food. And this is great to turn food because that is a high temperature material, as I mentioned, so you have to worry about it melting. So very simple to use and really high quality the way they did this. You can see how they tapered the back right there. See how it's thicker there and thinner so that it has the springiness that's required for this to function. And these get really good ratings on Amazon. People really seem to really like them. So what do I think about this product from Patelli? They're cat tongs. They're 7-inch food clips kitchen tongs with that unique pattern on there. Really nice, simple product, reliable. They're going to last forever. Real stainless steel, high temperature material on there, and they're cute. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.